I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream decoration on cake. First, select your preferred cream, such as a stable buttercream or a light whipped cream, ensuring it holds its shape well. Always make sure your cake is fully cooled to prevent the cream from melting. Gather your essential tools: piping bags, various tips, and an offset spatula. These foundational steps are crucial for achieving beautiful and lasting cake decorations. Once your cream is ready, ensure it has a smooth, consistent texture, free of lumps. This is key for flawless piping. Next, prepare your piping bag by inserting the chosen tip and filling it about 2/3 full with cream. Push the cream down to remove any air bubbles, then twist the top of the bag to seal it. This preparation ensures a steady flow and precise control for your decorations. Now, let's explore some basic decorating techniques. Start by practicing simple designs like stars, rosettes, and shell borders on a piece of parchment paper. This helps build confidence and control. Remember to apply consistent pressure on the piping bag and maintain a steady hand. Holding the bag at a 45-degree angle often yields the best results for many common patterns. For more advanced decorations, try experimenting with various piping tips to create intricate floral patterns or delicate lace designs. Don't hesitate to use food coloring gels to achieve vibrant and appealing cream colors, adding visual interest. Finally, enhance your cake with edible embellishments such as sprinkles, chocolate shavings, or fresh berries. These finishing touches elevate your cake from good to truly spectacular.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.